Hello students. Today we're going to talk about how we can set up a parent account on our Prodigy so we can check to see how many problems we have done. So you don't have to keep track of it anymore on a piece of paper. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, you should be at this website, www.prodigygame.com. There should be a link on the Google Classroom. So if you need to, click on it. Remember, as I go through these steps, you should be going over them with me or doing them with me to make sure that we take care of each step. First of all, we're going to click to get your free account. So remember, we're going to set up another account. That's a parent account, and then link your Prodigy account that's part of Mr. Montgomery's class to that parent account. So go ahead and click on get your free account. And of course, we're going to click on parent. That's what we're going to click on. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in your name. So go ahead and type in your name if you need to. Next, you're going to type in your email address. Remember, your email address is your 201 number. I'm not going to write out a 201 number. You're going to put your 201 number right here. And then, of course, it's at houstonschools.org. And then, of course, you're going to go ahead and create your password. I always suggest use the same password you use to log into your Chromebook, or use the same one you log into your Prodigy account. So this is what you need to have filled out. You should have your name. You should have your 201 number. Now remember, whatever your 201 number is here, at houstonschools.org. And then, of course, have your password in, and then go ahead and hit create account. So after you create an account, go and click on that. It should come to this page right here. I already have an account set up, so I'm not going to click on it. And they're going to go through a few steps. So it's simply going to tell you, welcome to Prodigy. Go ahead and hit next. Then go ahead and just track your child's progress. Great. Hit next. And then it says, see amount of questions they answered. That's great. Let's check. That's what we want. That's what you're going to be able to do. Make sure it says United States and California here. Remember, anytime you need to pause the video or rewind it, go ahead and do so. Hit continue. And then next, it's going to ask you if you want to have features sent to you. We don't want that to happen. Remember, they will send stuff to your email address at your Houston schools, so we don't want them to just spam us with a bunch of stuff. So we're going to go ahead and hit no thanks. And now we're ready to go ahead and link your account to it. So you already have an account. So we're going to go ahead and go, my child already has an account. So you already have an account. Go ahead and hit add account. And then go ahead and type in your Prodigy username. Now, this is the username that you used for Mr. Montgomery's class. If you don't set up the right one, it won't link to the right one, which means you won't be keeping track. I can't see the work you do on somebody else's account or an account that's not set up to my classroom, so I can't give you credit for it. So go ahead and type in the account that's set up to my classroom. So mine is Joshua M. Remember, make sure these uppercase letters are uppercase. And of course, it's 11857. And then go ahead and type in your password. Remember, this is the password you use to log in to Prodigy. So when you go to play Prodigy, Mr. Montgomery's class, or for Mr. Montgomery's class, this is the email. This is the password in which you need to type in. So you're logging in like you're going to go play Prodigy right now. That way it gets attached to your parent account. So go ahead and hit add child. And I believe you should be able to attach, you should be able to attach, if you already have a parent account, you should be able to attach another parent account to your account. So if your parents already have one set up for you, you can simply take care of it. You can still do it on your Gmail account or your 201 number account. All right, so now we're set up. So this is setting up your goal. So if I give you how many questions you want to do per week, so you go ahead and type that in there. Let's go ahead and bump that up to 20 right now. So go ahead and just set it at 20 for me. That way we have a goal set, and I believe it should send you an email when you have actually achieved that goal. So we're going to start with 20 right now. We're going to go ahead down here and hit set goal. So go ahead and set your goal. And now you've successfully added your account to your parent account. Go ahead and hit continue. And this is what's great about it. It gives you your current level. And then I go ahead. Last time I played was a month ago. So go ahead. I'm going to view my progress. And this is where you can see how many questions you've done each week. Over here, it says weekly questions answered. I don't believe it tells you how many you actually did correctly, but it does tell you how many you actually have done. And it gives you a location. So this is the time frame. And of course, it's this week. I believe you can change these. You can go back to last week if you want to, go to this week. And it gives you, it shows you right here how many questions you've actually answered. And of course, there's some other things, other features you can do. You can go to your goal progress. You can go to reports. You can go to manage account. We'll talk about other things as we need them. But now you're set up. You can come over here and you can check to see how many questions you've completed each week based on this chart right here. And as you can see, I haven't done anything. You should probably will have some things right here. All right, if you have a question or get stuck, weren't able to get here, go ahead and come back to Mr. Montgomery, raise your hand, ask Mr. Montgomery, and he'll help you out. All right, thank you very much.